Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Monday, yes, it's still Monday, July the 1st, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle. The 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left, the binary, and the Sudoku with 4 stars. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Yeah. News of today, well, I've told you, today it's day number 268 days ago, another war started, not in Ukraine, but in Israel, and the war is still continuing, yes, against Hamas. Well, and the people are suffering there. Still hungry people there. Enough about war. Let me start with the 4-star Sudoku number 8821. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Usually the 4-star Sudoku has 24 printed digits. This one has 25. Should be a 3-star puzzle. For a 3-star puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. Is this a 3 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, there are only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 9, 7. Then 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, there are only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 in the third row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 6 here. Need a 5 here. 5 in the third row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Well. Need a 3 there. I'm thinking. 7. Come on. 3 in this last row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 there. In this row, we have 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. Well, here can be 3. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. Here can be 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Need a 7 here. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left, 1 and 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, only place left, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. Need a 2, need a 3, need a 3, need a 3 here, need a 2, and I need a 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, and look at 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Need a 2 here, alright. Need a 3 there. I need a 5 here. 5, 5, 5. Come on, I need a 5 here. How about a 3? 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Cannot continue with the 3 now, need to wait. How about the number? 7. 7. Need a 6 here. Let me think. 9, 9, need a 7. Come on, 9, 7, 8. Well, in this row, we need a 7. Here can be 7 because we have 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between, the second column, the only place left is 7 should be there. I need a 7 here or there. Need a 7 here or there. Need a 7 here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left is 7 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left is 7 should be there. 7, and I need a 7 here also. 2 numbers left in this big square from the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. So 8 and the 9. 8, 9, 2 and the 5 are missing here. Well, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between, the second column. The only 2 places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Alright, 2 numbers left. Oh wait, we have an 8 and a 9 here. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. We have a pair. The 6 and 8 in this column. The 6 and 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those. Here we have a 9, here we have a 9. That means in this row we need a 9 in one of these 3 boxes. Well, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here. Come on, come on, come on. 8 or a 9, we have an 8 now. So this box should be a 9. So we have a 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes here with a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. So the 6, 8, and the need a 2 here. In the second row, need a 2. Well, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be here then. So the 6 and the 8 are left. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 6. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 6. How about the number? 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. So here 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 9. And let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. That means here should be also 2 and a 5, but we already have a 5 here in this big square. So no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5, I believe. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 2 and the 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finishes in 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. I'm well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.